Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a picture on Facebook without saving that picture. Maybe if you're running low on storage or you don't want to cluster your gallery, you just want to share a meme you found on Facebook. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So open your Facebook. You're going to use this picture as an example. When you click on it, click at the three dots menu at the top right corner. Instead of clicking save to phone, what you have to click is share external. Now it's going to bring up this share box. Now when you click on WhatsApp, you can now share the pictures to your friend without even saving the picture. So that's how you share pictures from Facebook without saving it on your gallery. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.